This is the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra, the newest flagship device from Xiaomi's sub-brand, with several interesting features. Let's check out its specifications to see if it's worth it. Starting with the design, we have a premium phone with 8.4mm thickness, weighing 212 grams, which is pretty typical for today's smartphones. It also has an IP68 certification, which guarantees protection against dust and water, allowing it to be submerged for up to 30 minutes at 2.5 meters depth. The back is made of glass with a premium matte finish, and the aluminum frame adds a touch of sophistication. For the display, we have a 6.67-inch wide Quad HD plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes navigation smoother and improves the gaming experience. The brightness reaches an incredible 3,200 nits at peak, which is simply impressive for use in any condition. It's also worth highlighting that it's a 12-bit screen with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support for more accurate colors. Inside, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, manufactured in 3 nanometers with 8 cores, 2 Orion V, 2 Phoenix L cores up to 4.32 GHz, and 6 Orion V, 2 Phoenix M cores up to 3.53 GHz. The GPU is an Adreno 830, which works alongside 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. For storage, we have 256 GB or 512 GB with UFS 4.1, and unfortunately there's no support for expansion via microSD. For the camera system, we have a 50-megapixel main camera with Light Fusion 800 sensor and optical stabilization for everyday photos. We also have a 50-megapixel telephoto with 2.5x optical zoom and optical stabilization, which allows you to photograph near or far with great quality. To complete the setup, we have a 32-megapixel ultra-wide with a 120-degree field of view to capture more of the scene. For selfies, we have a 32-megapixel front camera that does its job well. And for video, it can shoot up to 8K at 24 frames per second. In terms of battery, the F7 Ultra comes with 5,300 mAh capacity, which should last a full day of intensive use. And when the battery runs out, the 120-watt HyperCharge is ready to serve, charging from 0 to 100% in just 34 minutes. Additionally, we have 50-watt wireless charging for when you don't want to deal with cables. For connectivity, we have 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and GPS, with support for various navigation systems. It's worth noting that it also has an infrared port, so you can use the phone as a remote control. The F7 Ultra also comes with Android 15 running Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 interface. Features an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor that responds quickly, and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support for an immersive experience. Among some interesting extra features worth highlighting, Liquid Cool 4.0 cooling technology with a dual-channel ice loop system, which reduces processor temperature by up to 3 degrees Celsius during intense gaming. For those who care about photo quality, the Poco AISP system uses artificial intelligence to optimize scenes in real time, and the AI Super Cinema mode promises an immersive audiovisual experience. The processor is one of the most powerful on the market, and the cameras are excellent, but the lack of storage expansion may be limiting for some users, though this probably won't be an issue for most users. If you're looking for a flagship smartphone with one of the best displays on the market, a powerful processor, versatile camera system, and ultra-fast charging, this Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra brings an impressive set of features to consider, especially for its competitive price compared to other flagships. Currently, it's priced at around $649 for the basic version. If you want to check more details and perhaps purchase it, the link is in the video description. So, what did you think of the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra? Leave your comments in the demographic field below. Before you go, join our exclusive X-Tech Deals channel on WhatsApp. There you'll find great deals and protection from scams. All links are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one. Thanks and bye.